Hi, welcome back to my channel. So the next question is to create a new column. We already have a data frame that is employees and it contains two columns, name and salary. We have to write a solution to create another column that would be bonus and it will contain the doubled values of the salary column. So for this, we simply say employees or bonus would be equal to double of employee salary and we will return employees. Let me quickly run it. So that was all for today. Thank you. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like the video. Thank you.